Welcome. This is your time to slow things down. Nothing to fix, nothing to improve, just an opportunity to let your nervous system settle with a gentle yoga practice. Go ahead and come down onto your back and set yourself up in constructive rest. Feet on the mat, knees bent. Allow your knees to gently rest toward one another. Take a moment to get comfortable. Maybe place one hand on your belly and one hand on your chest. Begin by noticing your breath. No changing it yet, just noticing where you feel it most. When you're ready, start to gently guide your breath. Inhale softly through the nose and exhale out of your mouth, slowly, fully letting the breath fall out of you. See if you can let your exhale be longer than your inhale. Take a few slow breaths here. Each inhale arriving, each exhale letting go. If it feels supportive, think of something in your life you would like to release and let it go out with your breath. When you feel ready, begin to slowly rock your knees side to side. Let them fall all the way to the right. And then inhale as the knees pass through center and exhale as they drift to the left. You might pause anywhere along the way, going back from left to right if your body asks you to. There's no rush. Let the movement be small and easy. It's not about stretching, it's about unwinding. Now draw both knees in toward your chest. Gently lower your knees to the right, keeping both shoulders heavy on the mat. You can bring your arms out wide or rest one hand on your belly, one on your ribs. Allow gravity to do the work here. There's nothing you need to push or pull. With each inhale, invite a little more softness into the belly, the chest, the shoulders. Stay here, breathing slowly, feeling the support beneath you. Now gently bring your knees back through center and lower your knees over to the left, keeping both shoulders heavy on the mat. Again, let your shoulders stay grounded. Let your breath stay slow and steady. When you're ready, hug both knees back in toward your chest again. Wrap your arms around your shins or behind your thighs. Begin to gently rock side to side, slow, soothing movements. Let it feel comforting, almost like you're calming a restless part of yourself. Notice if your jaw can soften, if your shoulders can relax. Slowly allow yourself to roll onto one side, coming into a brief side-lying rest. Let your head be supported. 2 or 3 easy breaths here. This is just a pause, a moment to orient before coming upright. When you're ready, use your hands to gently press yourself up to a seated position. Move slowly. You can pause at any point along the way. Notice how it feels to come upright. And once you're seated, find a position that feels stable and comfortable for you. Try crisscross or butterfly if that's easier. Bring your right hand down beside you and inhale the left arm up toward the sky. As you exhale, gently side bend to the right, keeping both sit bones grounded. Let this be soft, no forcing, just a gentle opening through the side body. Notice areas you might be clenching, maybe your jaw or forehead. Try to soften these. Now inhale back to center. Bring your left hand down beside you and inhale the right arm up toward the sky. As you exhale, gently side bend to the left, keeping both sit bones grounded again. Now a deep breath in and long exhale out. Then return back to center. Bring your right hand to your left knee. Let your left ear gently fall toward your left shoulder. There's nothing to pull here. We're just gently stretching our neck. The weight of your head is enough. If it feels okay, you might close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a few slow, deep breaths. Now bring your head upright and place your left hand behind you. Inhale to lengthen your spine. And exhale, gently rotate from the ribs to turn to the left. Let this be easy. Your nervous system responds to gentleness. After one more breath, gently unwind. Bring your left hand to your right knee. Let your right ear gently fall toward your right shoulder. Take a few slow breaths. Now bring your head upright and place your right hand behind you. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and exhale to gently rotate from the ribs to turn to the right. One more deep breath, and then slowly return to center. Bring both hands behind you on the mat. Inhale to lift your chest gently toward the sky. Let your shoulders soften down your back. This is a heart opening without strain. Take a few breaths here. Now slowly release. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall wide for butterfly. You can stay upright, or if it feels supportive, gently hinge forward. Let your hips be heavy. Let your breath stay slow. Notice any sensations without needing to change them. One more deep inhale and a long exhale. Then return upright. From here, we will move into seated cat-cows. Bring your hands to your knees or thighs. Inhale, lift your chest, heart forward. Exhale, round the spine, chin toward your chest. Again, inhale, chest toward the sky. Exhale, round your spine, chin toward your chest. Move slowly, letting your breath guide you. Take a few rounds on your own here. If you feel strain in your legs, move from butterfly to crisscross. Bring your torso upright, and now inhale, sweep your arms up toward the sky. Exhale, release them back down. Again, inhale, arms rise. Exhale, let everything soften. Repeat this a few more times on your own, moving at your own pace. Each inhale receiving, each exhale letting go. Now place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Notice how you feel now compared to when you began. Nothing here was forced. Nothing had to be powered through. This is what it feels like when the body is given time to breathe and permission to feel safe. Carry this softness with you into the rest of your day. If you would like to continue your practice, we have another stress melt video for you linked below, as well as a full-length 30-minute practice if you would like to go deeper. Thank yourself for showing up and allowing yourself to soften. Namaste.